Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is me Sharmin Soma, and today in this video I am sharing with you a hairstyle. Basically it's a Indian hairstyle. In this hairstyle I'm going to show you how you can tie your hair extension and parandi on your short or medium hair, and also I'm going to show you how I did this puff hairstyle without teasing my hair. So let's start it. So I'm dividing my hair into 3 sections, and I'm separating my front 2 section hair with bobby pin because I'm going to work first my crown area, and I'm going to make a puff on my crown area. With the help of a tail comb, I took some hair. You can see how much hair I took it. This is the first section. I'm going to take 2 sections. See how I am doing this. This is the first section and I'm not going to tease it. Now I'm taking my second layer of hair and I'm teasing it little bit, not too much, because I'm going to use bump it here. I tease it because so that it just stuck on my hair. It helps to stuck, that's why I tease little bit. And now I'm going to cover this bump it with my first step of hair. I'm teasing little bit to cover it up. Now secure it with some bobby pin. You can use hairspray if you want. It will give your hair more finishing look. Now I'm going to set this front 2 section here, which I pinned it up. First I'm doing a side partition. Now I'm going to puff this side hair to adjust this side hair with my puffed hair, which I did in crown area. I have thin hair on my side area, that's why I am teasing little bit, but it will not harm your hair at all. It's a very light back combing your hair. To adjust your baby hairs, you can use hairspray. Now for this part of my hair, I'm going to divide this part into 3 sections, and then I'm going to twist every section of my hair. This is the first section and I'm twisting my hair. You can see how I'm twisting it. After twisting it, I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. After that, same way I'm taking my second step of hair, and if you want you can twist your hair a little bit. It will give more volume on your twisting part here and it will look more beautiful. In this same way I'm going to twist my all hair this three part of my hair, and then I'm going to secure it together with a bobby pin. Now secure your hair with bobby pins. Use as much as bobby pin you need. After that, pull your hair a little bit to make it puff look. And that's it. Look how beautiful it's looking right now. Now I'm going to show you how you can use your hair extension and do a beautiful braid, long braid. So this is my hair from back side, and from this back part of hair, now I'm going to take a chunk of hair. I'm taking little bit more hair. You can see how much hair I'm taking. Just take like that and separate it. And now with the help of a tail comb hair, I'm taking a small amount of hair from below of this hair and I'm teasing it. The reason I'm teasing it because I'm going to use my hair extension in this part where I'm teasing it. It will help to stuck my hair extension here. That's why I'm teasing it, because my hair is so silky. This is my hair extension. In Bangla, it's called hair Tarsal. We use it to braid our hair. If you have small or medium hair, or if you have long hair but thin hair, this extension will work to make it thick hair, thick braid. To make thick braid, we use this Tarsal or hair extension. So now I'm going to place it here. I'm going to secure it with the bobby pin. I'm going to use so many bobby pin to secure it, and you have to use this bobby pin in cross way. Cross your bobby pin when you secure it, otherwise it will not be tight. I'm crossing my bobby pin, you can see. Cross your bobby pin. This is the second cross. I did 2 cross, okay. Now divide your hair extension into 3 parts like that, and bring down your upper hair which we separated. Now I am dividing my whole hair into 3 parts, and you have to this hair extension in every part. Okay, make sure you have every part of your hair, you have that hair extension, and then we will do our braid. Okay, my hair dividing is done for braid. I did 3 sections, and every section of my hair I have my hair Tarsal or hair extension, and now I'm starting my hair braid. See how it's looking. Now I'm going to show my hair braid from front side. This is the paranda I'm going to use it today. My mother used it. It's a very old paranda. Today I'm going to use this. So first I'm measuring it. The paranda is little bit short, so I'm going to braid my hair little bit more. I'm measuring it again. Now it's looking equal, so I'm going to tie it now with my hair. It's not my real hair, it's the hair extension. Now I'm going to tie it with my hair extension here. Same way how I braid my hair. I have come to the end of this braid. After the end of this braiding, you have to secure your hair and paranda together. You can use any rubber band. It's better to use any black color rubber band, or you can tie it with any thread. Golden thread will be great with this paranda if you're using golden color paranda. So that's it. I'm securing my hair and paranda with a rubber band, and this is the final look. I did a long braid. We have come to the end of today's video. If this video is helpful to you, if this video help you and you like this video, then give like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. You can use flower with this hairstyle, with this hair braid. I'm using artificial flower. You can use artificial flower or fresh flower. Fresh flower will look more better. So that's it. This is the final look, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe yet. If you want to see this kind of more video, then please subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload my new videos. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.